so much tribulation. We already read about how people will be breaking into each other's homes for the very lack of bread. We need to get to the part that says people are going to eat their own flesh and drink their own blood for the lack of food. We'll read that one afterwards as well, yeah? Go on, grab. You finish that one? You can go over there. Go on, back in. And the dung of men unto the camel's hoe. Yeah, that's the death of them. Right, because when people die, they just drop anywhere. Right, and they stink as well. People are jumping over the bodies, trying to walk around the bodies. There's been so many dead bodies. What does it say? Go on. And the dung of men unto the camel's hoe. Unto the camel's hoe. Right? I think that's the hoe. Which means the body's going to be piled up, man. It's going to be mad. Go on. That's why they're drafting so hard. And there shall be great fearfulness and trembling upon earth. And they that see the wrath shall be afraid, and trembling shall come upon them. And then shall there come great storms from the south, and from the north, and another part from the west. And strong winds shall rise from the east, and shall open it. And the cloud which he raised up in wrath, and the stars stirred to cause fear, towards the east and west wind shall be destroyed. Right, so it's talking about how the army's going to be moving around and strategizing around each other. Read that one about that specific area being destroyed. It's talking about the west part being destroyed or the east part being destroyed. And the strong wind shall rise from the east and shall open it. And the cloud which he raised up in wrath and the star stirred to cause fear towards the east. Yeah? That's the American F-15s. They're trying to cause fear. That's why they boast themselves about their power. But there's a plane that they have that when it gets wet, it doesn't work. And west wind shall be destroyed. Yeah? Because F-15s are no match to Su-35s, Russia's military might. The great and mighty cloud shall be lifted up full of wrath, and the stars, and they that make all the earth afraid, and them that dwell therein, and they shall pour out over every high and eminent place and horrible star, fire and hell and flying swords, and many waters that all fields may be full, and all rivers with the abundance of great rivers. And they shall break down the cities and walls, mountains and hills, trees of the woods, and grass of the meadows, and their corn. Okay, that's when they're dropping their bombs. Right, they're going to be destroying whole cities. That's just talking about hills and mountains. It's destroying the cities. Right, and their grass and their corn is basically their industry, wherever they get their food or whatever. The whole land's going to be desolated. Okay, go on. Exactly, because America's itching to go over to Iran. That's why they're causing them to be restrained through the sanctions. And they shall go steadfastly unto Babylon and make her afraid, because no one's been unto the shores of America yet. Right, and they're showing that in a couple of movies before. They showed how Russia invaded America, wherever, and they took lands from there. And that's true, because Nixon, I was reading this thing before I started camp today, that Nixon, he's causing everyone to try and take their petrodollar, and the countries, France asked for some of their, to see some of their collateral, to see what their dollar is actually being backed by, and they turned and looked in their vaults, and all they saw was all this paper stacked up. There was no gold in it, so what? Because America didn't have any gold, when France was asking, let me see some of that gold, they started giving over parts of the land of America to these foreign countries. Okay? So these foreign countries think that they're going to have a piece in it. Also, what's his name? Kim Jong-un, yeah, ruler of North Korea, he's got a bomb that can reach the edges of one of America's islands. Yeah, that's what it says here. They shall go steadfastly unto Babylon and make her afraid. Yeah, the ICBM that North Korea has got is making them afraid. Because he said as soon as if they try to bomb that piece of land, yeah, they're going to try and, fire through it. Yeah, so that's spiritual, what's his name? Who's the president of Trump is saying? Okay? They shall come to her and besiege her. The star and all wrath shall they pour out upon her. Then shall the dust and smoke go up into heaven, and they that be about her shall bewail her. Right, and that's her allies. The UK, Germany, France, most the rest of NATO, they're going to bewail America. Right? Turkey, as I said, well, Turkey's going to join with them. But as it says in Revelations, that the nations wailed when they saw the horse, what is it, Great Babylon, the horse destruction. What nation is unto this nation? When they see her destruction, God. And they that remain under her shall do service unto them that have put her in fear. And thou, Asia, that that are partaker of the hope of Babylon and are the glory of her person. Right, that's talking about China, but Japan as well. Everything America does, Japan does, because Japan is under servitude to America for now. Also, it says, and now Asia are the partaker of the whole, yeah, because they're hoping that basically new rulership will come through them. Because most of the things also are made and are the glory of her person. Most of the things that are made in America are made from China. When you look at most of their clothing, it's like the flag, it says made in China. Yeah, when America was having trouble with North Korea, who did they go to blame for and say, oh, how come you're not speaking up for us? They went to China and said, how come we've been, making, they've been making, arrangements with them, buying and selling with them, yeah, what's it called, merchandise with them, but China is speaking up to defend them, yeah? Because that's the glory of America, partially. Won't be unto thee thou wretch, because thou was made thyself like unto her. Okay, because China and America basically have been in cahoots. They've been buying and selling each other with gold, merchandise. They'll build factories, Chinese factories in America, yeah, or second, they'll put American factories in China and have the Chinese people working in them because they know that they can make them more money because they don't have human rights over there. So when you buy a Nike, this, that, and the third, who is it made by? A Chinese person. Over here you're paying proper money, over there they're paying pence. So they make like 80% to nearly 100, things like 97%, yeah, about 300% profit. Won't be unto thee thou wretch, because thou has made herself like unto America, and has decked thy daughters in whoredom, that they might please and glory in thy lovers, which have always desired to commit whoredom with thee. Okay? It's always desired to commit whoredom with thee. That's why they I think it's cute. Let me find that shot. You can purchase it. Yeah? That was full of their exchange. That was full of them that is hated in all her works and inventions. Therefore saith the Most High, I will send plagues upon thee, widowhood, poverty, famine, sword, and pestilence, to waste thy houses with destruction and death. And the glory of thy power shall be dried up as the flower, when the heat shall rise that is sent over thee. Exactly, because there's going to be ICBMs that are going to reach China also. Thou shalt be weakened as a poor woman with stripes. Okay, so if you ever seen a man get whipped with a whip, yeah, a stripe, yeah, that's how China's going to be weakened. Because their infrastructure basically is like if you were to pour gasoline on a match, if you send a bomb over there, it's all going to come down. It's so densely populated, it's not even funny. Right, and that's why most of their products are shoddy anyway. You know what I'm saying? In Europe and America, at least they test their products for safety. In China, their safety, most of their products don't even pass safety. So you're saying, so even though you can get a Land Rover or a Land Rover knockoff from China for a fraction of the price over in China, but if you manage to crash that, God help you, because they're broke, you know, most of it doesn't even work. Go on. To fold up. Thou shalt be weakened as a poor woman with stripes, and as one chastised with wounds, so that the mighty and lovers shall not be able to receive thee. Okay, so you ain't going to be able to have no more contact with America and this kind of thing. When I with jealousy have so proceeded against thee, saith the Lord, if thou hadst not always slain my chosen, exalting the stroke of thine hand and saying over their bed, when thou was drunken, set forth thy beauty of thy countenance, like mocking us, yeah? The reward of thy whoredom shall be in thy bosom, therefore shalt thou receive recompense. Like as thou hast done unto my chosen, saith the Lord, even so shall the Most High do unto thee, and shall deliver thee into mischief, yeah, which is evil. And thy children shall die of hunger, and thou shalt fall through the sword. Thy cities shall be broken down, and all thine shall perish with the sword in the field. Right, now let's talk about Edom as well, mainly Edom, these Caucasians. That's what's going to happen to them for what they've done to the Negroes, Hispanics, and Native Americans and West Africans. Okay, go on. They that be in the mountains shall die of hunger. Right, them that be in the mountains shall die of hunger. Alright, that's mainly the cities. Right, go on. And eat their own flesh and drink their own blood. for very hunger of bread and thirst for water. Right. That's what's going to happen. Cannibalism. They're going to eat their own flesh and drink their own blood for very thirst of water. In fact, read it again, man. Read it again. Go on. 2 Ezra chapter 15 verse 15. They that be in the mountain shall die of hunger and eat their own flesh and drink their own blood for very hunger of bread and thirst for water. Right. Cannibalism. Okay? Especially them doomsday preppers as well. Right? A lot of these Caucasians have, especially in America as well, they have these, what is it, safe houses or outhouse, where they have all their weaponry and food stocked up. There's a show they had called Doomsday Preppers as well. But the most I said that they're stocking up for the poor, which is you Jakes. Because Jakes will be breaking into their home and stealing their shit. So yeah, they're stocking up, but they're not even going to be able to eat anything. Because they don't even know where they're going to be in Jake in trouble. Yeah? You might not even be in your yard. As you stocked up, you got all your whatever's in your house, and you can't even go back there. You can't travel back there, the roads will be blocked with cars. You might die before Jake gets trouble. You know what I'm saying? Go on. Joel chapter 1 verse 17. Chapter 1 verse 15. And as for the day of the Lord is at hand, and as a destruction from the Almighty shall it come. Is not the meat cut off from before your eyes, from before our eyes? Yea, joy and gladness from the house of our power. The seed is rotten under their clods. The gardeners are laid desolate. The barns are broken down, for the corn is withered. Right, let me see that. Right? Their seed is rotten under their clods. That's talking about your economy, this and that. And your businesses, okay? Your money's not holding you up anymore. It's not holding them anymore, man. Go on. How do the beasts grow? The herds of cattle are perplexed because they have no pasture. Right, so which means that they're starved, okay? They're starved, it's exhausted. All of their resources are exhausted, okay? So even though the Most High is going to cut off food from humans, he's going to cut off food from the animals also. Yeah? He says the beasts are perplexed. They could be thinking, what the hell's going on? They've got no grass to eat. Yeah? The flocks of sheep are made desolate. That means they're going to be dying off. Yeah? But the scripture says you shouldn't eat anything that die from itself, to us. But the heathen are going to eat things that have been already dead. As in Venezuela. Also, Isaiah chapter 9 verse 20. And he shall snatch on the right hand and be hungry. Yeah? And he shall eat on the left hand, and they shall not be satisfied. Right? Because you're going to be mashed in that day. Because what? People with whatever little crumbs they're going to eat, it's just not going to be satisfactory. It's not going to be enough to fill your belly. Alright? You're going to be starving mad. Go on. Isaiah chapter 9 verse 19. Through the wrath of Yahweh of hosts is the land darkened. Yeah? The day of the Lord shall be dark, and the people shall be as the fuel of the fire. No man shall spare his brother. Yeah, you're going to be eating each other out here. Just like in Venezuela right now. Yeah, in prisons, the prisoners are eating each other. And he shall snatch on the right hand and be hungry. And he shall eat on the left hand, and they shall not be satisfied. They shall eat every man the flesh of his own arm. Right, once again. Okay? It's going to be hardcore out here, man. Come on, you're going to be eating each other. You're going to be eating yourself. And it's in the, what is it, that movie The Road, yeah? When the cannibals, they saw the guy with his kid, the guy showed the clip, it went onto his hands. And you can see some of his fingers was a bit short. Why? Because he was nibbling on his fingers. You can see that he was hiding in the thing with the gun. He said, take one more move, I'll put this bullet straight through your skull. But the thing looked at his hands, the screen, they looked at his hands, you could see that he was nibbling on his hands because there was no food. Within that time there, you're going to be eating each other. Because people, they have no discipline out here. Like it said, it's known that after about 3 or 4 days, people immediately start turning to cannibalism. Yeah, but the third day is people usually turn. But I think most of the people out here probably turn on the end of the second day. The end of the second day. They won't make it through the third day. So they're going to turn a lot faster than that. Alright? And he shall snatch on the right hand, yeah, and be hungry. Because these people are glutton, so obviously that one piece or whatever, your arm ain't going to satisfy you. And he shall eat on the left hand, and they shall not be satisfied. They shall eat every man the flesh of his own arm.